Good morning, everyone. So today I'm going to explain you the poem that is the Lake Isle of Innisfree, which is written by William Butler Yeats. So what is there in this poem? It is written in 3 paragraphs, and in this poem it is talked by the poet that he liked or he enjoyed the Lake Isle during his childhood, because on that lake it was very quiet. It was not any humdrum like the cities and the town, and he has just told about his emotions, whatever were there in his heart. So this is all. Now let's continue with the poem. I will arise and go now and go to Innisfree, and a small cabin built there of clay and battles made. 9 bean rows will I have there, a hive for the honey bee, and live alone in the bee loud glade. So the poet is saying that I had a strong desire in my mind that I want to go to the beautiful and the calm Isle of Innisfree in the Lake Lough Gill in the county Sligo in Ireland. Innisfree is actually a place in Ireland. So he decided that I am going to get up and I am going to go to Innisfree, and there I will go and I will make a small cottage of mine that will be made of clay and battles. So what is battles? Battles are actually the twisted sticks, and there when I go I will be self-sufficient, and I will also have a garden over there that will be containing 9 rows of the beans and honey from which I will be extracting. So there will be a honey bee, or you can say there will be a honeycomb from which he will extract the honey. And he is telling it out that I am going to live a solitary life over there. Solitary means a life that will be full of peace. And what will be over there? There will be only the bees buzzing loudly in the open area. And that will be far away from the madding crowd. Means whatever the city life is there, that will not be there. And I shall have some peace there, for peace comes dropping slow, dropping from the vales of morning to where the cricket sings. There midnight all a glimmer, and a noon a purple glow, and evening full of the linnets' wings. Now the poet is telling that when I will go to that lake of Innisfree, I will be enjoying there, because there will be totally calmness, there will be no very busy life as in the city, and the peace will be starting from morning and it will be continuing till up to the evening, and the word that is cricket, it will be also singing over there. And in that Innisfree the morning will be calm and the midnight will be bright. How the midnight will be bright? Because during that time what will be over there? There will be shining of the stars and the moon. And at the noon time or at the midday, there will be purple glowing light. Means the light of the sun will be falling straight forward. And evening, at the evening time, what will be over there? There will be the fluttering wings of the linnets. Means the birds will be over there that will be moving from one place to another. And linnet, what is it? It is actually a small bird that is known for its beautiful song. I will arise and go now, for always night and day I hear the lake water lapping with low sounds by the shore. While I stand on the roadway or the pavement's grey, I hear it deep in my deep heart's core. Now the poet is telling that I have totally initial desire in my heart that I am going to go to Innisfree, because what is over there? I am able to hear the water that is in that lake, that is just touching the shore, that is moving nearby the shores. And what is in the city? When I stand on the cemented road, I am able to hear a lot of traffic, lot of people moving here and there, lot of shouting of the people, lot of means kind of the traffic, lot of horns over there. And I now want is that I need only the totally peace and calmness. So I hear it in my deep heart's core. I am hearing that all in my deep heart core. So I need to go over there to the lake of Innisfree. This is all about the poem. I hope you understood it. Thank you. Have a nice day.